Si Jesus ay isinilang para sa iyo. Ako po si Father Fiel Pareha at ito po ang ating segment, ang Daily Devotion ngayong panahon ng Pasko, na kung saan tayo po ay magdarasal, magbabasa at magninilay kasama ng salita ng Diyos sa buong taon. Manalangin tayo. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Halina, Banal na Espiritu, liwanagan mo ang aming puso at isip, nang maunawaan at may sa buhay namin ang iyong salita. Amen. Our Bible passage for today is from the Gospel of St. John, chapter 1, verses 1 to 18, and I read it for you. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. He was in the beginning with God. All things came into being through Him, and without Him not one thing came into being. What has come into being in Him was life, and the life was the light of all people. The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness did not overcome it. There was a man sent from God, whose name was John. He came as witness to testify to the light, so that all might believe through him. He himself was not the light, but he came to testify to the light. The true light, which enlightens everyone, was coming into the world. He was in the world, and the world came into being through him. Yet the world did not know him. He came to what was his own, and his own people did not accept him. But to all who received him, who believed in his name, he gave power to become children of God, who were born not of blood, or of the will of the flesh, or of the will of man, but of God. And the Word became flesh, and lived among us, and we have seen His glory, the glory as of a Father's only Son, full of grace and truth. John testified to Him and cried out, "This was He of whom I said, He who comes after me ranks ahead of me, because He was before me." From His fullness we have all received grace upon grace. The law indeed was given through Moses. Grace and truth came through Jesus Christ. No one has ever seen God. It is God, the only Son, who is close to the Father's heart, who has made Him known. Maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat. Binabati ko po kayo, ang inyong mga pamilya o sa inyong pook trabahuhan, kung nasaan ka man ngayon na pinapanood mo at nagdarasal ka, nagdinilay kang kasama ko, maligayang Pasko sa iyo. Kumusta po ang inyong Pasko? Isinilang si Jesus para sa iyo. Iyan ang napakagandang balita na nais kong ipaalala sa iyo. Kung ikaw ay nalulungkot, mabigat man ang problema, malayo sa pamilya, ngayong araw ng Pasko, ikaw man ay broken, may pinagdadaanan, namatayan, naghiwalay ng iyong minamahal, ang mensahe sa iyo ng Panginoon, isinilang ako para sa iyo. Si Jesus ang bunga ng ating tuwa. Siya ang magbibigay kaganapan sa ating lahat. Siya ang ating Diyos. Isinilang siya para sa atin. And the Word became flesh and dwelt among us. Sasamahan tayo ni Jesus kahit na tayo ay marumi, kahit na tayo mabaho, kahit na tayo mga pagod at wala pang tulog, kahit na tayo ay nagkamali at nagkasala at gustong bumangon sa buhay, kahit na tayo ay nagtitinda sa bangketa, kahit na tayo ay nakaratay sa sakit, kahit na tayo ay nasa gitna ng kahirapan at sakuna, sasamahan tayo ng Panginoon. Ang kanyang kapanganakan ay isang napakalaking tanda ng liwanag ng Panginoon. Ito ang liwanag na tumalo sa kadiliman sa mundo. Nariyan na ang Diyos, matagumpay tayo, isinilang siya para sa atin. Kaya kung malungkot ka ngayong araw na ito, kung may pinagdaraanan ka, ang regalo ng Panginoon ay ang kanyang sarili. May kasama ka, may karamay ka, may kaagapay ka. may Jesus ka. Muli po, maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat. Manalangin tayo. Panginoong Jesucristo, maraming salamat po sa pagdamay sa amin. Ang inyong kapanganakan ang nagbigay ng tunay na ligaya sa amin. Nawa, ang tuwa na nasa aming puso ngayong araw ng Pasko ang siyang magsindi upang anumang kasalanan at kadiliman ay mapawi at maalis. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Huwag po ninyong kalimutang i-like ang video ito, mag-comment po kayo and share it to your family and friends. Ang Panalangin Bago Matulog ay may sariling Facebook page na po. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutang mag-like at mag-follow dito, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I-click niyo lamang po ang link na nasa description ng video ito, o kaya naman po i-just search Father Fiel Pareha. God bless you po.